the lecture number 10. Today we are just talking about the binary to deci. We have to convert the number binary to deci. Binary, what is the meaning of binary? If whenever you have the base, if you have the base is 2, then the number is the binary number. Whenever you have any number and its base is 10, then this is the decimal number. What is base? Go in the lecture number 2. Okay. So now we are taking an example. You have this number, suppose 1110 and 1101. You can take anything. Okay, this is the binary number 10101. Okay, this is the number. So how to convert this number to decimal number? In this condition, this is the decimal. So from decimal you have to go from here to here and from here to here. So this is the first number. You will take, this is 1 into 2 ki power 0. Okay. Then after then the second number, it will be 0 into 2 ki power 1. Okay. So after this, similarly you will you have to multiply. After then this is 1 into 2 ki power 2. Then after then this is 0 into 2 ki power 2, then 3. Okay. Then after then this 1 into 2 ki power 4. This 1 into 2 ki power 5. This 1 into 2 ki power 6. Very simple. Now from decimal, from here to here, your way is this 1 into 2 ki power minus 1. Okay. After then 0 into 2 ki power minus 2. Then after then 1 into 2 ki power minus 3. Then this 0. Okay. 0 into 2 ki power minus 4. Then you have 1 into 2 ki power minus 5. So this is the way. Okay. To convert your binary to decimal. Now I will give you one simple example that will clear. So let us, we have this example 1011.1. Okay, what we are just talking. So in this condition, your first number, that is actually this is 1. Okay, 1 into 2 ki power 0 plus this number 1 into 2 ki power 1 plus this number 0 into 2 ki power 2 plus this number 1 into 2 ki power 3. Okay, then plus this number 1 into 2 ki power minus 1. Okay, according to this rule. Now what is this? 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus this is 0 plus 2 to 2 is 2. This is 2 ki power 0 is equal to 1 plus this is 0.5. 1 upon 2 means 0.5. 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is number is 11.5. And base is 10. Base 10 means a decimal number. So this is the way to convert your binary number to decimal number. Okay. My suggestion to everyone that if you are just preparing for any exam, competition, GATE exam or UPSC exam, okay, any exam. So these such type of question they have also asked. Okay. So you must focus how it is working. Okay. So this is also very important for university exam. They also ask for 1 marks such type of question. Okay. Thank you so much.